So hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing great. This is Anjali Karvi and I welcome you all in my new vlog. If you guys new over here, I want to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Anjali Karvi. I'm from Pithoragarh. I create vlog in English to learn this language to be fluent in this language. So today's vlog is going to be just a small vlog for you because many of my friends are asking me how did I learn English. So today I'm gonna tell you how did I really learn English. It was a time when I could not utter a single sentence from Hindi to English, but my consistency, my confidence helped me a lot to learn this language. And definitely your consistency and your confidence will help you to learn English language to be fluent in this language. So all we need consistency and confidence, right? So today I'm going to tell you some tips which will definitely help you to learn this language. And believe me, these tricks are really useful tricks. Through these tricks, you can learn English easily. So the very first thing which you have to make sure while you are learning this language, you have to practice daily. This is the very first point. You have to practice daily. Because consistency is the key to learn anything. If we are whether we are learning any language, whether we are learning something new, so we need to give consistency to that, right? So consistency is the key to learn anything. So you have to practice daily. You can read, you can write, you can learn, you can listen the things in English because it will help you to improve your vocabulary. And the second thing, be confident. If you are confident, so you can learn English very easily. Don't hesitate. Okay. So if you are confident, you can play tricks on others as well. Even though you don't know so many words in English, but if you are confident, you can play tricks uh, in the other persons. So the first trick is practice daily. Even if it is for only 15 minutes, only 20 minutes, but practice daily. Okay. And I told you second thing is be confident. Be confident while you are saying any word. And third thing, never care about your mistakes because mistakes are part of learning. So whatever you are saying, you are speaking while learning this language, you just speak without thinking about the mistakes. So you have to overlook your mistake, but make sure whatever mistakes you are doing, after that you have to learn as well. You have to learn something from your mistakes. Only then you can learn this language. Okay. Still, I am a beginner, and you may have seen my videos. I never use advanced word because I am a beginner and I'm learning from the different sources. So the third thing, never care about your mistakes. The fourth thing, use different kinds of apps. You know, there are so many apps which are designed especially to learn English. So you can use these apps to practice your grammar, and whatever mistakes you are doing there, you can just pick out them and try to correct them, right? And the fifth thing, make sure every day you have to learn 3 to 4 vocabulary, 3 to 4 new words. Okay, not only recite them, not only learn them, you have to apply these words in your daily life as well, right? And learning 2 to 3 words every day, it will help you to improve your vocabulary. Okay, if every day you are adding 2 to 3 words in your vocabulary, so definitely you will be fluent within some month. And the next thing is you have to read articles, you have to read stories which are very simple, which you can understand easily. And whatever the new words you are finding in the video, you can just apply these words in your sentences in your daily life. Okay. And the next thing is there are so many movies and reels. So whatever content you are watching, watch them in English because It will definitely help you to learn this language, and whatever the lyrics you are listening, whatever the spoken words you are listening, you have to try these words. You have to try these words, and gradually as you get better, you can move on to the more challenging material. And as I told you, never care about your mistakes. Keep communicating and make a goal to learn new words every day, few new words every day. So these are the best useful tricks to learn any language. If I talk about myself, I always, read some articles, read some simple stories, and listen podcast as well. Sometime I listen English music as well, and try to understand spoken words, try to understand the lyrics. Then I use the same words in the next day in my daily life. You can also make your videos, because if you are making videos, you will get confidence to speak in front of any other one. Okay, you can also stand in front of a mirror and can revise whatever you are learning. So these are really the best methods to learn this language. If I talk about my journey, as I told you, it was a time when I was not able to utter a Hindi sentence into English, because my grammar that time it was very poor, and I really learned from the different sources. Nobody teaches me. Okay, I learned from the Googles, I learned from YouTube's, I learned from them. And in 2015, I got smartphone. That time, I was, not much interested in this language, because I was very busy on other work. Sometime on my house chores and some other work, I was very busy. But when I realized that I have to learn this language, I used to learn from the different sources. I used to learn two to three new words, and then I used to apply these words in my daily life. I always used to communicate with myself whenever I am free at my dead time. So never think it's a difficult language. Okay, learning English is not a rocket science. It is just like a walk in the park, or we can say it is just like a piece of cake. So these are the tricks, and I always use these tricks to learn English. I'm gonna repeat all the tricks. Okay, the very first thing, practice daily, and the second thing, be confident, and the third thing, ignore your mistakes, never care about your mistakes, and fifth thing, use some apps, communicate in English. Okay, communicate with others, communicate with your family members, and every day you have to give time to it. Read some simple stories, short stories which you can understand easily, and try to learn two to three words every day. So these are really super tricks to learn language within a short period of time. If you are giving consistency to your language, so within 3 months, I'm making you sure you can learn this language very easily. So these are the tricks which I use to learn this language, and I'm pretty sure that these tricks will definitely help you to learn this language. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you will give a lot of love to me. Let's end today's vlog. Hope you have enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with a new vlog. Till that, keep watching my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.